Namaste and welcome to this video. In this video, I will make you learn Surya Namaskar. By end of this video, you will be able to do Surya Namaskar on your own, following the correct breathing pattern. Okay, so how I've designed this video is, first I will show you the instructions. I will do along with the instructions. So listen to me carefully, and after the instructions are over, we will do along so that you will have a good practice of that. Okay, so let's start. Listen to me here, follow the instructions. You have to stand straight on one edge of the mat. Okay, your legs should be together, not much distance between your legs. So first asana is Pranamasana. Very simple, stand straight, keep your spine straight. Okay, bring your hands into Namaste like this and look straight. Inhale and exhale at this asana. Second asana is you will raise your hands up and try to bend backwards like this. This is called as Hastuttanasana. So you're bending like this, and that is inhalation. You will inhale and bend backwards, Hastuttanasana. And the third asana is exhale and bend forward, Padahastasana. Now you can, if you are able to touch the floor or keep your palms like this, well and good, right? Otherwise, you can keep your hands like this also and keep your head down. Okay, now this is Padahastasana. From here, what you're going to do is you will slowly take your right leg 4 or 5 feet behind you like this. Okay, 4 feet behind, and drop your knee down. Okay, as far as you can. And do not tuck your toe like this. Release your leg and release your palms also so that your palms are touching the floor. This is called as Ashwasanchalanasana. You will look up and look straight. From here, you will tuck your toe, take your other leg also behind, come into Dandasana. Dandasana is a straight plank pose like this, where your shoulders, elbow and your palm are in straight line. You will squeeze your stomach in and you will hold your breath here. From here, you will slowly drop your knees, chest and chin on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskar. Make sure your stomach does not touch the floor. From here, release your legs and come to Bhujangasana. Now in Bhujangasana, release the weight from your hands. Your hands should not be straight like this. They should not take entire weight. From here, you will tuck your toe and go to Parvatasana. Parvatasana is nothing but inverted V shape. Here, you will take 5 deep breaths or normally 1 deep breath also. Okay. Now from here, you will take a breath, inhale and bring your right leg exactly between your hands. Now you can do it either in one go like this. If you cannot do that, you can bring it halfway and then use your hand to bring it forward. But it should come forward exactly between your hands. And drop your other knee down and feet leg down. Okay. This is Ashwasanchalanasana again. Now bring your other leg forward, tuck your toe and bring it other leg forward. Padahastasana again. Now from here you will inhale and raise your hands up. Slowly you have to go backwards. Hastuttanasana. And exhale. Pranamasana and relax. So it's a repetition of asanas where you come to Bhujangasana, Parvatasana and then go back to the similar asanas. Okay, so this was on the right leg. Same thing we will do on the left leg also. Okay, so I think instructions should be enough for you. It's a very simple workout to do, right? So you can start doing along with me now. Just hear the instructions and you can do it. So let's begin. We are doing one round of Surya Namaskar from here. Okay, so stand at the edge of your mat, stand straight, Do along with me. Spine straight, hands together in Pranamasana. Inhale and exhale here. Now inhale, take your hands up, Hastuttanasana, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward, Padahastasana. Do it as much as you can. Now inhale, take your right leg behind, Ashwasanchalanasana. Release your feet, your leg. Now tuck your toe, take your other leg also behind, Dandasana, plank pose. Be straight, squeeze your stomach in. You can hold your breath here. Look up. Now exhale, drop your knees, chest and chin on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskar. Release your legs, come to Bhujangasana. Tuck your toe, go to Parvatasana. Now we have to bring our right leg exactly between your hands, right? You can either bring it in one go or halfway through and hold your hand and bring it forward. Look up, Ashwasanchalanasana. Now exhale, other leg forward, Padahastasana again. Now inhale, raise your hands up, Hastuttanasana, bend backwards as far as you can. Exhale, Pranamasana and relax. So that was on the right leg. Let's do on the left leg also. Okay. So stand straight. Inhale and exhale, hands together, Pranamasana. Inhale, raise your hands up, Hastuttanasana, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, take your left leg this time behind. Drop your knee down, leg down. Look up, Ashwasanchalanasana. Now tuck your toe and take your other leg behind. Dandasana. Be straight, squeeze your stomach and hold your breath. Now slowly exhale, drop your knees, chest and chin on the floor. Ashtanga Namaskar. Release your legs, come to Bhujangasana. Tuck your toe, go to Parvatasana. Now inhale, bring your left leg exactly between your hands in one go, or you can use your hand to bring it forward. Look up. Now exhale, other leg forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your hands up, Hastuttanasana, bend backwards. Exhale, Pranamasana and relax. Just relax. So I want you to practice this at least for 3 rounds. You can just rewind the video and try to do it at least for 3 times. This will give you a very, very good, fair idea how to do the Surya Namaskar. Okay, thank you.